Rishi, Akshara, how is it?
Scary.
Scary. ఇదిగో అమ్మా తీసుకో.
So here, welcome back, guys. We are again in one more waterfall, but for here we have to go trekking, like kind of. There's so many stairs to go down. What? Okay. There are so many stairs to go down. We have gone these many steps. It's very scary to go. It's very steep. And Akshara? No, she does not think that. But to get to this waterfall, it is like a challenge, very big challenge. Many stairs. So many stairs. It's like rested here. Somewhat there are no steps. Okay, it's scary. And then while going up, it's going to be a big headache for me. Okay, so let's get to the waterfall. So here is the view. When I got down a little bit, like half, I think. Over here, I don't know. Can you see a small pond over there? Like right over there. That's the pond where the water is coming. And then all these stairs you have to climb up over there. It was a hard choice. And there are more stairs down. So if you can see, these are roads. It's a really small pathway, but you can still go. So let's see how more ahead. Okay, we are close. We are close, guys. We are close. This huge rock is up here ahead. Oh, it's pretty nice. Okay, so like right now we are very close. We have to go to this rockway. When we go down, we have to carefully step on rocks. There's the waterfall. Okay, so let's get to the waterfall. So we are near the waterfall officially. Look at it. Woo! It's like a huge river. I showed you over there, right? Huge boulder over here. Let's get more further. Trekking. Okay, so I'm going to follow my sister right now. I don't know where she's going, but I think she's going to go the right way. I don't know if you can see, but over there is the waterfall. We are very close to it. We can do this, guys. Yahoo! Okay, so I'm going to get to the waterfall right now. Bye. Yeah, I guess it's the wrong way she's going, so I'll show you. Come on. Come here. Slowly come. Just come on. No, this go. Come on. Yes, my sister's came.
Careful, children, huh?
Yeah. So now we're going to jump. Whoa. It's scary. Wait. First, I have to show the... That's the waterfall. They are very close. This is the easier way. It's like an adventure in this path. Okay, so we'll climb this whole thing up and reach there. Come on. Okay, we're gonna reach. Guys, we've officially reached the waterfall. We've somehow go. This thing is so pretty. Woohoo! Oh, my sisters have officially climbed up. Here you go. Tell how I'm going to climb. So, she's going to those rocks. I am going to be a climber. Go. Let's go, friend. No, let's go back. Let's go up. Just take. Oh, wow, take. 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 Huh? Okay, so this hole is the waterfall. Let's see and climb up and see how it is. Go. Woo! She went. Can you? It's nothing hard. So Let's climb this बढ़िया. Ah. So its whole passageway is like this. Here we go. चलो. Take. Good.
वाओ ये और सुंदर है.
Oh my god. So this was supposed to be just a normal one.
वाओ.
This is the most beautiful one. Let me show you. Oh, it is like heaven.
कॉफी में डालो. मनु फोन लो मेरे को बात करो. फोन लो.
My legs are literally shaking right now.
लो ना एक बार.
My legs are shaking. And people are up there and we are up here as a queen. Let's go. So let's see where the waterfall is falling. My parents are up there. Woo! Okay, my legs is shaking like anything. We are so high. This is just like heaven. It's beautiful. So guys, I just found out from where the water is falling. This place, the water is falling from. And my father is there taking photos. Where is he? Yeah, he's over there. It is like heaven. God, it's so pretty. We're so close. I wonder if we can go even closer. So this is the waterfall trekking. I have just made it. So it is like amazing. We are high up and I'm the queen of this place right now. Officially, I'm the queen. Woo. My sister climbed up. And she's acting like a goddamn queen. Literally, it's really beautiful. So, oh my god, trekking of this area. So I'm going to show you all around. We start from here. We'll start from my sister and till her also. So, guys, this is for today. Bye bye. See you later. Oh wow, my sissy is going to fly. Akshara, get down. You're gonna fall. She's not gonna listen. Bye bye. Have a nice day.